In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom voice in ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to create a custom voice in ElevenLabs, you can even design a brand new AI voice using a text prompt or clone your own voice using voice recordings. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and clone my own voice. Now, the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs, sign into your account, and on the far top left-hand corner, click onto where it says Voices and the little plus icon. Then from there, we can go ahead and instantly voice clone. So we can clone your voice of only 10 seconds of audio, or if you want to design an entirely new voice, you can do that from a text prompt. So this takes less than a minute, but I'm just going to do this video for instant voice clone. So I'm going to click onto that. Then on the next page, I'm going to have to upload some audio or a video that's got audio. So I'm going to click, or we can record audio, and 10 seconds of audio is required. So I'm going to click onto that. I'm going to upload a video that I've done. So I'm just going to do a small video here, 40 seconds. So they're going to clone my voice from this video. Now, as we've seen at the bottom right hand, it says here is larger than 10 megabytes. So I need to make this file smaller. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to record some audio, clicking record audio. Now I need to enable the microphone. So I'm going to say allow while using the site. Hopefully this works because I am recording at the same time. So I'm going to click onto start. And now it's going to say if there's any background noises detected, and just keep talking and probably... Resilience is the strength to keep going despite setbacks. Okay, so that's, I'm previewing the voice here. Now we can go ahead and give this a name. So I'm going to call this tutorial is. We can label it, value it, description. And then I'm going to tick that and click on save voice. So we do need to set values. So I'm going to select the value. So where's English? Here it is. And then save voice. Now, we need to upgrade to use your clone voice, unfortunately. So you need to subscribe to their Creator Monthly, Build Annually, or Build Monthly to go ahead and clone your voice.